इकोनॉमी इसका सपना संजोया है। हम $5 ट्रिलियन इकोनॉमी बन सकते हैं।
With a target of $5 trillion economy, India has been marching on. But with the COVID challenges, things have been difficult, and yet we have not let go of our sight. A balancing act between tackling COVID and yet keeping the economy growing.
अध्यक्ष महोदय, कोरोना महामारी ने विश्व को यह भी सबक दिया है कि वैश्विक अर्थव्यवस्था को अब और अधिक डाइवर्सिफाई किया जाए। इसके लिए ग्लोबल वैल्यू चेन्स का विस्तार आवश्यक है। हमारा आत्मनिर्भर भारत अभियान इसी भावना से प्रेरित है। ग्लोबल इंडस्ट्रियल डाइवर्सिफिकेशन के लिए भारत विश्व का एक लोकतांत्रिक और भरोसेमंद पार्टनर बन रहा है।
In the latest projection, India's economy, which contracted by 7.3% due to the COVID pandemic, is expected to grow by 9.5% in 2021 and 8.5% in 2022, according to latest projections released by the International Monetary Fund.
There are many challenges that the Indian economy already does face in terms of with regard to the financial market, with regard to the fact that the virus is not gone yet. India is doing well in terms of vaccination rates, and that's certainly helpful.
Going forward over the medium term, it will be important to put in place a credible medium-term strategy to bring down the debt-to-GDP ratio and create space to meet the future development needs and infrastructure needs of the Indian economy.
The United States is projected to grow at 6% this year and 5.2% the next year. China, on the other hand, the IMF said, is projected to grow at 8% in 2021 and 5.6% in 2022.
Under the baseline, we should expect inflation to come back to much more normal levels by the middle of next year. For the advanced economy group as a whole, though it does vary. There are some countries, for the US, it takes a little longer, maybe towards the end of the year, that China faces at this point in terms of developments in the property sector, what we're seeing in terms of supply chain disruptions, which is a common phenomenon in many other parts of the world. That is, we are aware that they have put in a formal application. That particular TPP, the partnership CTPP, is a high-quality trade agreement with pretty high standards and all kinds of trade practices are allowed. I believe it would be good for the world.
The IMF projection put India above global powers. We are on course to becoming the fastest growing economy in 2022. Let's debate.